Buenos días, clase. I hope you already had a chance to read section 1.1, articles and nouns. So now I'm gonna walk you through this first activity called Intentalo. So like you know, in Spanish we have nouns and they have gender and number, meaning they're feminine or masculine, and they're also plural or singular. So on this first activity, we're going to have to decide between singular and plural and masculine and feminine to fill in the blanks with articles. So the first section, it's asking us to do definite articles. El, la, los, and las. Chico es masculino. Vamos a escribir el chico. Maleta, femenino, la maleta. Cuadernos, masculino, plural, los cuadernos. Lápiz, masculino, el lápiz. Mujeres, siempre femenino. Mujeres, femenino, plural, las mujeres. Ahora tenemos que llenar el blanco, fill in the blank, with un, unas, unos, and unos. Escuelas, femenino, plural, unas. Computadora, singular, femenino, una. Hombres, masculino, plural, unos. Señora, singular, femenino, una. Lápices, masculino, plural, unos lápices. How am I going to memorize if it's feminine or masculine? My advice to you is to memorize the word with the article. When you're studying your vocabulary, say el lápiz, el hombre. That way you can memorize the article, which will tell you if it's masculine or feminine. If you only memorize the word as chico, maleta, it might be a little more difficult to know if it's feminine or masculine, especially when we get into the words that have exceptions, like we discovered like la mano, even though it ends on an O, it's la. Or el día, it ends on an A, but it has an el article. So my advice to you is to memorize the vocabulary words with the articles. El chico, la maleta, los cuadernos, el lápiz. Muy bien. I hope this helps. Adiós.